WMF Elevation 10 Permanent Water Connection. Turn off the machine and unplug it from the power outlet. Then turn off the water supply. If the machine was previously operated using a water tank, remove any remaining water from the tank. Next, remove the drip tray and empty it. Remove the silicone plug on the back of the drip tray so that the water can drain through the drain hose. Remove the plug and replace it with the check valve included in the accessories. Next, connect the water supply hose to the white 3/8-inch water inlet on the machine. Make sure to use the correct connectors. The size and thread must match. Now insert the drain hose into the designated inlet. The adapter must be securely in place. Check this carefully. The connection can be made directly to the existing shutoff valve. The drain hose can be connected to an existing drain. The hose must run downward the entire length to prevent backflow. Now put the drip tray back in place. Turn on the water supply. Check all connections for leaks. Once all connections are secure and no water is leaking, reconnect the machine to the power supply. Now select the water supply menu item under Operating Options in the Operating menu. Here, you can switch from the water tank to a fixed water supply. At the end of the workday, close the shutoff valve for the water supply and open it again before starting work. Your machine is now ready for permanent water supply.